Okay, so in this video, we'll be talking about what is Forex, and I just want to give you some reality of how much opportunity there is when you're doing this, because a lot of people hear, the word Forex or they hear the word trading and, they get some ideas in their head, but once you understand that this is actually the largest, most liquid market in the world, and this is something that every single day, trillions of dollars are going through it, it will start to give you some reality of what you can do for yourself to get to your financial goals. And that's our goal here, is to help you get to your financial goals. Okay, so with that, what is Forex? Forex is short for the foreign exchange market and involves trading currencies. So when I'm going through these lessons, I want to try to keep this as simple as possible so that you can actually understand this, and more than just understand it, really look to apply this as quickly as possible. And that's the difference between this and public education, formal education, whatever type of education you had before, where you had to memorize words, take a test, and then you'd go and basically forget it, or you'd get ready for the next test. This is the exact opposite of that. You're learning this right now so that you can apply this information, and that's actually one of the biggest tips I can give you, is when you watch a lesson here, whether it's going over softwares or whether it's going over strategies, techniques, go out there and look to apply it immediately after the video so you can get that doingness. You could really get out there and do it, because that is what we're doing here to get you to your results. So when people hear Forex and they hear trading currencies, it's not really real to them. So here's what I want to give you is just an example. When we have the US dollar, every single day it's going up and down in value, also comparing it with other currencies around the world. So for example, if we have something really bad happen like 2008, or we have something happen like the stock market crash, the dollar will decrease in value compared to other currencies. So what that means is there's actually going to be opportunity to make profit. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do, is find that opportunity using trends, using strategies, using techniques to go out there and create true security. And when I think of true security, I think about waking up every day and having the ability to create income on demand. And that's how I feel, you'd get with this skill set if you really get it down, because every single day from here on out, some type of currency is going to be needed, whether it's dollars, whether it's yen, whether it's cryptocurrency. We're going to be using currency, and that means we're going to be able to take advantage of this market. Okay, so let's actually look at this real quick. I want to give you some more reality on how big this market is. The Forex market is the largest, most liquid market in the world, with an average daily trading volume exceeding 5 trillion. 5 trillion. There's only one trillionaire on earth right now worth $1 trillion. That's Jeff Bezos, right? So put that into perspective and look at how big that is in comparison to $1 billion. The stock market trades billions a day. This is 5 trillion. It's massive. Every single day, actually, the banks that you go to, that you use, where you put your money in savings, they're taking advantage of this market and even advantage of your money to actually go out there and make profit in this market. So when I'm working with individuals, I have individuals that range from people with 7-figure businesses all the way to people that are, individuals, no background in finance, no background in investing, really zero financial education, and they're able to jump in here, apply this data, and have results. And that's something that you want to really hold on to, because one thing that stops people from doing this is that thought of like, is this really for me? Can I do this? Are normal people doing it? And the answer is yes. Along with normal people, you do have banks, you do have businesses, and there's definitely different types of investors involved in this, really, really big ones, and then individuals that are just getting started. But the cool thing is no matter where you're starting from, the opportunity to have unlimited earning potential is going to be worth it. And not only that, is we have individuals who have came from nothing, started from ground zero, and are now able to do this full time and really live their life by design. And that's my goal, is to help you guys do that no matter what your goals is with this. And you have to keep that goal in sight. Some of you will walk away with this skill set and it'll be worth a few $100s to you in this life. Some of you will go ahead and really want to master this and dive into this, and it might be worth six figures for you in this life. Others of you are like, this is something I can really see myself jumping into. I want to go big. I want to play this game at the biggest level, and I want to master it. And you will be, this data, this information will be worth seven figures to you in this life. And remember that, because as you're going through this, this is a form of communication. It's a form of communication. It's a language. It's the language of money, and it's something that once you learn it, it's going to be worth something far greater than money to you. It's going to be worth true security, confidence, and time, because you will actually be able to start making amounts of money that were probably impossible for you to make with the current career you have, no matter what profession you're in. I have students making days that used to took them weeks to make. Now they're making it in a day. I have some people who have made salaries in a day. It's crazy, the results, but it is going to take hard work, discipline, work ethic, energy, and money to get you there. So I'm excited to start this journey with you, and I hope that gave you a little bit of reality of how big this market is and who's able to take advantage of it. I'll see you in the next training.